Q&A video. Hey guys, what's up and am I too loud? Hey guys, what's up and welcome to a new video. If you are new here, then hi, my name is Anna, and if you are an old subscriber, then you already know me. Since a lot of you have joined my channel very recently and we have a lot of new subscribers, so I thought why not do a Q&A video so that you guys get to know me a little better. So I put up a story on my Instagram and also on my community post, and you guys sent me a lot of questions. So yeah, let's begin with the video. If you enjoy, you know what to do. Subscribe if you like my content, and yeah, let's begin with the video now. My name is Ananya. Who is your favorite YouTuber except you? Okay, I like how you mentioned except you. I don't have any favorites because I watch a lot of YouTube videos, okay? And my favorites keep on changing because there's like so much content on the internet. But my all-time favorite would be Ali Abdaal and Mr. Beast. What are your hobbies? So growing up, I have always been a very creative child. I was always into sports, and apart from that, I absolutely love singing, and I love dancing as well. Are you a phone addict? Oh god, don't even ask me about it. I am so addicted to Instagram. Oh my god, it's such a toxic place, and I have stopped using Instagram zyada. Like, I don't post photos and all zyada. I like posting reels, but I don't post photos and all zyada because I feel like everything is so perfect on Instagram, and when I look at other people, I just feel like, dude, why do I not look like that? Why is my lifestyle not like that? I think it's with everyone. On Instagram we go and compare ourselves. YouTube is such a happy place. I just feel like I can be myself and you guys love it. Yes, in short, I am a phone addict. Advice you would want to give your younger self? Okay, I'm still very young, but the advice I would want to give to my 16-year-old self would be, stop thinking low of yourself. I always used to feel like I'm so useless. There are better people who are like good at studies, singing, dancing, and literally anything. Even though I was a creative child, I always used to feel like, no yaar, I'm not good enough, like मुझे कुछ नहीं आता. I used to feel like that, but now it has completely changed, and it's all a part of growing up, I feel. So the next one is a rapid fire. Let's do it. Boyfriend or best friend? Best friend. Chai, coffee? None, but still I think I would choose coffee. Love, hookup? Love, of course. Movies or TV show? Movies. Brown Monday or White Foreign? Brown Monday, are you like referring to the song, or like brown guys and white guys? Obviously are brown guys. If he's not Indian, like I won't vibe with him, come on. Rich busy life or happy middle class sukoon wali life? I want to keep a mix of both. I want to be rich and I want to be happy also. So this is very difficult to choose. What's your age and educational background? Okay, so I'm 22 years old. I was born on 3rd November 1998. So I've completed my undergraduation in mass comm and journalism from Rani Birla Girls College, Calcutta. Favorite color and food? Okay, so my favorite color is pink, and I also like white, and oh my god, I love food. Give me food anytime. My favorite food item would be momos, pizza, pav bhaji, chole bhature. Dude, give me anything. Give me any Indian food na, I love it. Amrita is asking, do you have any boyfriend? If no, then how many exes you have? Well, I am single, and I've been single for quite some time now, and I'm really happy being single. So there is no chance of being in relationship right now. When and why you started YouTube? Okay, so I started my YouTube channel in 2018. I made this one video with my friend, and she edited it, and like I posted it, and it was very random. Like, it was like nothing planned as such. And 2018 में पूरे साल में I made only 3 videos or 4 videos, and then I kind of stopped. So properly, if you ask me, when I started YouTube was last year, 2020 में I started making videos properly, and yeah, it's going well as of now. I'm making content consistently. As to why I started a YouTube channel, I'll be very honest with you guys. I thought it was cool. It was cool to be on camera and make YouTube videos and, you know, be all fun and stuff. But if you just think it that way, वैसे नहीं होता. You have to be consistent, you have to be hardworking, and you have to think a lot. I think I discovered my passion for making videos last year in quarantine time, and yeah, it's going well. I love editing more than filming. I love editing videos. I love being in front of camera overall, and yeah, that's why I started my channel. Tips to start YouTube and how to become more confident. I feel like I'm not in the place to give you guys tips because I have not reached a certain level. Once I reach, I'll give you guys good tips. But before giving any tip, I would want to say, if you are thinking of starting your channel or starting your blog or anything, just go for it. Don't overthink. Don't think like you are not good enough. I am telling you from my experience. I feel like अगर मैंने और भी बहुत पहले स्टार्ट किया होता ना तो मैं आज कहाँ पहुँच गई होती. But it's fine. Just go for it. And how to become more confident. I think more than confidence, what you have to focus on is being real. Be real in front of camera. Don't try to copy anyone. Don't try to copy your favorite YouTuber. I know people do that. Like if they see a person on YouTube, they really like their personality, you kind of like try to copy them. Don't do that. Just be yourself. Present yourself good in front of camera, and yeah, that's it. Confidence will come once you start making videos. धीरे-धीरे करके, the more videos you make, you will be super confident. Okay, let's move on to some Instagram questions. The first one is how to deal with breakup. This is a very good question because I dealt with a very bad breakup last year and it taught me a lot of things. But how do you deal with it? I'll tell you guys 2 steps how to go about it. The first step is to cry a lot. It makes everything very easy. Just go to your friends and rant about it, talk to them. Trust me, you will feel so good. And the second and the most important step is to accept it. Acceptance is everything. You have to accept the fact that it's over. The phase is over from your life. That person, they don't want to be with you, or that person has cheated on you, that person is bad. Just accept the fact that it's over and you have to move on. Trust me, there are better things in your life that you will see ahead. अभी तुमको यही लग रहा होगा कि यार it's over, मेरी लाइफ में कुछ नहीं बचा, अब मैं क्या करूँगी उसके बिना. But ऐसा नहीं होता यार. Come on. Every day people fall in love, they fall out of love, they break up, they cheat. It happens. It's fine. You don't have to think a lot. Just move on and focus on better things. Views on hookup culture. Very interesting questions you guys are sending me. So hookup culture, I feel it's normal. It's fine, to each their own. But personally, I am not someone who would go into a hookup culture. The hookup nahi karna yaar. I'm a very emotional person. I will fall in love with him. Like if he holds my hand or kisses me, I'll fall in love only. I'm like so emotional. What kind of people do you dislike? People who are not respectful towards other, people who are rude for no reason. Oh my god, I cannot tolerate them. I don't know, but people have become very rude for absolutely no reason. They have become very harsh towards others, and that is not right because you don't know what the other person is going through. So just be kind to everyone, I would say. Go-to outfit. My go-to outfit would be a crop top and a well-fitted baggy jeans. How do you deal with toxic friends? I think we all have been there. We all have dealt with toxic people, toxic friends, but the best way to get out of it is cut off completely. You know, the kind of people you surround yourself with, it really affects your personality and your thinking. If you hang out with people who are like really ambitious, who have big dreams, who are very hardworking, you will become like them. But if you hang out with people who just want to party, want to do drugs, you will become like them and you will have no ambitious, no motivation to focus on your personal life. So I think cutting off on toxic people is really important. Also, don't get me wrong, I party myself. It's okay. I'm not against partying. It's fine. I party myself. But there's a line which you shouldn't cross. What qualities you like in a guy? Okay. ऐसा कोई specific quality नहीं है, but I really love guys who are well spoken, who know how to speak well. I mean, that's so attractive for me. And people like kind of guys who make everyone feel comfortable around them, like, you know, बहुत welcoming vibes आता है उनसे. I really love those kind of guys. Might sound very shallow for this, don't get me wrong, it's just a personal choice. I love guys who are extremely tall. I mean, I don't know, that's so attractive for me. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my first ever Q&A and got to know me a little better. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Press on the bell notification to notify you every time I post a new video, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye.